everybody, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో टाइटल देखे तो पता ही चला रहेगा that I am doing a travel vlog. So I'm traveling to my native, that is Karimnagar, which comes in Telangana state, और 4 घंटे के दूरी पे है, like from Hyderabad. So it's gonna be me, mama, papa, and my younger brother Sunny. We're following all the protocols and all the rules and regulations. चारों में से 3 are vaccinated, excluding my younger brother because he's underage. And we are going by car because it is like an interstate travel. We have also applied for an e-pass. But आज डिक्लेयर किया है दैट तेलंगाना में हम लोग ने लॉकडाउन हटा दिया है. So I hope that we don't face any problems. So yes, stay back till the end and let's go. Yeah, this is my OOTD. The sweatshirt is from H&M and my pants are from Ginger. So yeah, let's go. So it's around 3:45 or 3:50 a.m. in the morning and we have just left our home and we have just started our journey. Actually हम 3 बजे निकलने वाले थे, but due to packing and all we happened to sleep late. So हम लेट उठे सुबह, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया था. बट सो द मेन गोल इज़ टू रीच करीमनगर बिफोर 6:30. सो दैट्स आवर गोल. तो होप वी रीच ऑन टाइम एंड या. So in 45 minutes we left the city and hopped on to the Pune Express Highway, and it's around 4:35 a.m. right now. So at this point of journey हम सब लोग ने एक वाइब बनाया था चारों जन ने. All thanks to the weather because it was dark. Suddenly it started raining and it was very cold and it was very windy, and अचानक से we started playing some old retro Hindi songs and चारों जन we were just literally vibing on it. Every person, like mama, papa, me and my brother, we four were like in our own world. We were just listening and singing out aloud, and oh my god, I'm just loving this. So here we reached the second toll naka. So around 5:40 we happened to reach Lonavala, and oh my god, don't even get me started at the weather. I mean, just look at it. It's so gorgeous. I just can't. So we took a small halt at Food Carnival because we had to go to washrooms. The washrooms were not dirty. It was good. हम यूज़ कर सकते थे. So around 6:10 we reached the Pune city. We entered the city and अभी तक का journey is amazing and बहुत दिनों के बाद मुझे सीनरी को देखने मिला and it felt really good. So after leaving Pune city, we will be hopping on to the Solapur highway by crossing Hadapsar, and yeah. सो वी आर ऑन सोलापुर हाईवे एंड अभी बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगा है, सो वी वर जस्ट एक्चुअली सर्चिंग फॉर अ शेड एंड या हमको ये इतना बड़ा झाड़ मिल गया, सो वी आर गोना स्टॉप हियर एंड वी गोना हैव आवर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो वी आर लाइक नाउ 1 hour अवे फ्रॉम सोलापुर और हम यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए रुके हैं. इट्स नॉट एन होटल. Mama already packed few things so that we could eat in the car. So we have stopped under a big tree and we're gonna eat now. It's like around 10:30, 10:40 and we have crossed Solapur. It means like we have completed half of our journey and so after Solapur we will be crossing the Karnataka border and then uske baad we will be entering Telangana. So after Indapur and Solapur हम कर्नाटका बॉर्डर पहुंच गए. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि कर्नाटका में लॉकडाउन है और तेलंगाना में नहीं था एंड हम कम्प्लीटली भूल गए थे. सो दे हैड हैपन टू स्टॉप अस. दे आस्क्ड अस फ्यू क्वेश्चंस, सो वी टोल्ड देम दैट वी आर नॉट स्टेइंग इन कर्नाटका, वी जस्ट पासिंग थ्रू कर्नाटका बिकॉज आवर स्टे इज़ इन तेलंगाना. सो या दे लेफ्ट अस. सो ज़्यादा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. So guys, it's 1:30 p.m. and we have crossed the Telangana state border. There were few checkposts but किसी ने कुछ रुका नहीं, so we didn't really face any kind of problem because as I already mentioned that you know that तेलंगाना में border lockdown हटाया गया है. So yeah, so इधर से probably next 5.5 hours का journey रहेगा. So let's go. So after crossing Zahirabad, we will be crossing Sadasivpet and then Hyderabad. Like we won't enter the city, but outskirts से ही we will go to Karamnagar. But उसके पहले we are gonna take a छोटू chai break at Grand Parivar Dhaba, and we will continue our journey. So it's around 2 o'clock and we're gonna have lunch because we are starving. So हम यहाँ पे लंच करने वाले हैं थोड़ा गाड़ी रुका के because आगे it's gonna be a highway and we won't be able to stop there. So we're gonna have lunch now. So Mama packed some rice and along with it we have nachos and we're gonna eat.
తొలి కలల కవితలే మాట మాటలు ఓహో కమ్మని ఈ ప్రేమ లేఖనే రాసింది.
So it's around 3 o'clock and we have entered the outskirts of Hyderabad. We won't be entering in the Hyderabad city. So यहाँ पे एक रिंग रोड है लेफ्ट में, हम वो वहाँ से आउटर रिंग रोड बोलते हैं उसको. सो हम वहाँ से डायरेक्टली वी विल बी गेटिंग ऑन द हाईवे टू करमनगर एंड इफ़ यू गो स्ट्रेट देन यू विल बी एंटरिंग द सिटी. सो टू अवॉइड दैट सो हम यहाँ से टर्न लेने वाले हैं एंड दिस इज़ आउटर रिंग रोड एंड यहाँ से डायरेक्टली करमनगर. So आगे का journey is gonna be like Shamirpet and then Pragnapur and then Siddipet and then finally Karimnagar. So we finally reached Pragnapur and we have taken a small halt at Harita restaurant. So if you're gonna come to the similar route and if you want to have breakfast or snacks or teas or something like that, then Harita is a very good place. So Pragnapur comes after Siddipet or अभी इधर से करीमनगर is like now 1.5 or 2 hours की दूरी पे. So we will be leaving like now in 5 minutes. So let's go. So this was around Siddipet and suddenly it started raining and we could literally get that fragrance of this wet soil and oh my god, don't ask, it was a beautiful experience, like sachi. So we are finally reaching Karimnagar like in what 10 minutes now. So from Mumbai se we are started around like 3:45 and now it is 5:30. We have completed 850 kilometers in one go. It was fun. It is a little tiring because it was just one go and we didn't take any halts anywhere. But it was fun. So this is like our area and इधर से हम turn लेने वाले and oh god, I'm too excited and finally relieved because this journey has come to an end and I'm gonna lie down because it was tiring, it was fun and yeah. We've reached